Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into 3 of the best exercises to help you build a strong and toned upper body: the plank, push-up, and pull-up. These exercises target multiple muscle groups and are great for both men and women looking to improve their upper body strength. So let's jump right into it. Our first exercise is the plank. It's a fantastic core exercise that also engages your shoulders, arms, and back. Here's how you do it. Start by getting into a push-up position with your palms flat on the ground, directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs straight back, supporting your weight on your toes. Engage your core muscles by drawing your navel toward your spine. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, ensuring your hips don't sag or lift too high. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming to increase your time gradually. Next up, we have the classic push-up. This exercise is fantastic for developing your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. Here's how you can perform a proper push-up. Start in a high plank position, just like we did for the previous exercise. Lower your body toward the ground by bending your elbows while keeping them close to your body. Aim to bring your chest as close to the ground as possible without touching it. Push yourself back up to the starting position by straightening your arms. Repeat this movement for the desired number of repetitions, focusing on maintaining proper form throughout. Lastly, we have the pull-up, which is an excellent exercise for targeting your back, biceps, and shoulders. You'll need a pull-up bar or a suitable apparatus for this one. Here's how it's done. Grab the pull-up bar with an overhand grip, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hang freely with your arms fully extended and your feet off the ground. Engage your back muscles and pull your body upward until your chin is above the bar. Lower yourself back down in a controlled manner until your arms are fully extended. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions, focusing on maintaining a smooth and controlled movement. And there you have it, folks. The plank, push-up, and pull-up. 3 incredible exercises that will help you build a strong and toned upper body. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your regular workout routine for the best results. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fitness content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. As always, stay dedicated and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. Until next time, stay fit and stay strong.